What's going on, guys? Welcome to Mando Outdoor Gear Reviews. Today I got an unboxing of the Cofiyard dual burning foldable camp stove with kitchen cookware. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to open it up, show you everything that comes included, do a brief setup, and we'll talk about price and where to purchase it at. Let's get into it. All right. So you will receive your propane adapter for the 1 pound propane tanks, the little green tanks. You're going to get your manual and instructions. You're going to get your kitchen cookware inside a neat little mesh bag. You're going to receive a carrying bag for the stove, and finally, the stove. All right. Now this is a 17,000 BTU burning camp stove. It is self-igniting, as well as has knobs for flame control. You will take this hose adapter, or the adapter, not hose adapter, and you're going to screw it in here, and then you will screw your propane tank onto that. Now inside the mesh kit, you are going to receive a pan or frying pan, a kettle, and a pot. And then there you go. And that's it right there. Now, talking about price, as of right now, I did not look it up. I will post the price somewhere on the corner of the screen, or what it's currently going for. You can get this on Amazon by searching Cofiyard, Cofiyard, or by checking the links that I got down in the description. Now, the links are Amazon associate links, so I am an affiliate. So if you do use those links, I do receive a small kickback for it. If you don't use it and you just want to go to Amazon, perfectly fine. Just search Cofiyard and look up their dual burning camp stove. Now, they do sell it with or without the kitchen cookware set. So obviously you would save a little bit of money if you just wanted the stove. This is actually my second stove. They sent me out one to review and to look at, and I ended up getting another one because I wanted the kitchen cookware set with it. This little stove is phenomenal. Yes, it does look like the competitor. I have never used the competitor's stove. This is the first time I'm ever using one like this. Normally I have a dual burning Coleman flat top grill and a Blackstone. This is actually going to replace my Coleman because of the size and how it compacts down into a bag, and I could just throw it in anywhere. As a camper, car camper, overlander, space is paramount, and this fits the bill. So take a look in my description for the links if you're interested in getting it. And give me a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of it if you do have it. Comment down below. So yeah, I thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Have a good one.